Well, like you guys just see here, I'm using a GIF in my Google Chrome background. So let's quickly get ready to set another GIF as a background here to show you guys how to just do it like me. Alright, the very primary thing to do is just download any kind of GIFs from the internet. Just click simply on image on the top here and now search for any GIFs you would like it to be in the background, maybe like fish swimming. So all you see here are images, and if you want to go change them to GIFs, on the top right here, click on Tools. Once a new menu opens, select GIFs from the list. Well, everything is now GIFs here. So the following is gonna be selecting the GIFs to be in the background. After doing that, as you can see, the preview is shown right here. Simply right click on it and go choose the option Save Image As. Then it will ask immediately the file name to save the image as. So here only you need to add is .png to the end of the file name. Then finally save. Well, go out of this page now and open any one just to check it out. And down in the bottom here, select the little pencil icon. Once it opens, just select change theme option, and from there select the option which is to upload an image. Then next, find the file from downloads, then open it up. Finally, a new background has been added as a GIF in your Google Chrome. So alright, that's how simply you can do to set a GIF in your Google Chrome background.